Hi there guys, in this video let us install 3D letters to our Nissan Magnet. I'll show you the complete process. This is how the car looks before installing the 3D letters. Now let us carry on with our process. Firstly, let us know how to find your surnames from company names. For example, my surname is Mahanandi, which can be made by using two Mahindra car 3D letters. From the first one we will take letters MAHINDA. From the second set of Mahindra letters we will take AN. This will give us Mahanandi. The leftover letters can also be used to make the name Hari if your name is Hari and if you are not willing to waste them. Now let me tell you how to stick them on the car. Assume the figure drawn as a real car's grille. Now follow the steps carefully. The distance from the front bonnet to the grille will be 10.3 centimeters. Now take a plaster and paste it with a gap of 7 centimeters from bonnet and 3 centimeters from grille. It should look like this. Now the size of each 3D letter is about 3.5 centimeters. I will tell you the whole process in steps. Step 1. Count the number of letters in your surname. Step 2. If they are odd, follow these steps. Firstly, take the middle letter in your name or surname. For example, in Mahanandi, MAHA are 4 first letters, N is the middle letter and ANDI are the 4 next letters. So N is the middle letter. Now from Nissan logo, take its center, that is in between S and S. Now take a scale which is long enough to reach the grille and the gap between the bonnet. Mark the point with a plaster. It will look like this. The red color point marked will indicate the center of the grille. Now take the center of the 3D letter. The center of that letter N. Ensure that they align in a straight line. Now carefully place the letter N just above the plaster we taped before. It should look like this. Now from the letter N, take 3 centimeters before and after the letter N. It should look like this. Now carefully paste letters A and A before and after letter N. It should look like this. Now go on by increasing 3 centimeters from before the letter A and after the letter A. Repeat the same process until the whole name completes. This is how it looks after complete installation of 3D letters. This is just for illustration purpose. Now comes the real thing. Watch it. It has improved the car's look up to great extent. It is legal as well, so you can paste 3D letters on your car without any fear. Now let us compare them side by side, before and after installation. Another way to get the 3D car letters for your car is by following these 2 steps as shown in the screen. Firstly, we should order 3D letters on Amazon. Then we should type the order ID, the name that we want, the color and the size of the letters. Then we can call a WhatsApp to the specific number that had been shown on the screen. If your surname or name consists of even digits, then follow the same procedure, but from the point center of the grille, take 3 centimeters before and after it. Now paste the letters and maintain a gap of 6 centimeters. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.